I know it's getting cold out, but it's not. Kasi pinapractice ko yung ano eh, yung kanta ngayon, yung uso. Yung ano, hindi soda pa, yung folded. Gusto mo marinig? Di ba kahapon pinapractice ko sa car? Gandang-ganda siya eh. Ano yung una nun?
Come pick up your phone.
So come. So yung tawa mo naman, nakaka-offend naman. Oy. So come pick up your clothes. Wait lang, kasi natatawa ko. Okay. Kaya nawawala sa to. So come pick up your clothes. I have it folded. And, ano yung next one? Kasi di ba may
Alam ko, seryoso ka.
Di seryoso nga. So come pick up your clothes.
Eh, may run yun eh.
Yung saan, banda?
Yung clothes.
Your clothes. So come pick up your clothes. You're mine. I folded. Wait, ano yung next doon? Ano yung next? Para ma-connect ko siya. Come pick up your clothes. I have it folded. And touch your body.
Parang tito na lasing kong kumanta.
Bakit ganun? Parang...
Oo, promise. Promise, te. Hindi ko alam kung seryoso ka.
Hala, ayoko na to i-share. Come pick up your clothes.
Meet me at the door while it's still open.
Meet me at the door while it's still open. And honey, ano bang next?
I know it's getting cold out, but it's not cold.
I know it's getting cold. Hindi, alam ko na, kailangan ko ng -1. Kasi yung reaction mo din, dear eh. Nakakaano siya minsan eh. Nakaka-loss. Okay.
Akin yun.
Oo. Saan ba yung, ano doon, riffs? Your clothes. Ganon. Bakit?
Sabi mo kasi, clothes. Ganun pa din
Clothes.
yung todo mo, pero yung mukha mo,
Clothes.
ganun ka.
Yung mukha yung your clothes. Ay, ano ito?
Ayun. Oh.
Aha, okay, alam ko na. I got your body to
Ay,
side. Tagal.
Ayun na, oh.
Ay. Hindi ko pa to alam. When I told you, fall back, so can. Wait lang, ga. Ba't nakakatawa? Kaninang galing ko eh. Wait lang.
Aralin mo na.
Mabilis kasi. Inaral ko na nga ito ng buong araw kahapon. Okay. I'm telling thee on your way. When I told you to fall back, so you can pick up your clothes, I have folded. Meet me at the door while it's still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not. So come pick up your... I have them folded. Eto na. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already falling for you. Already falling for you. I'll let your body decide if this is already falling. Punyeta ka. Punyeta ka kilani eh. Yung pangit, sino bang gumawa ng -1 na to? Tingnan nyo, ito yan siya. Kasi nagbe-blend kapag sabay kami ni Kalani eh. Tingnan nyo ha.
Hindi siya pinadadala niya yung kanta. Hindi mo narinig sa sarili mo.
Tingnan nyo, pag kaming dalawa ni Kelani nagsabay. Nagbe-blend kami. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit di ako makuha ng -1. Oh, tingnan nyo ha. Oh, hihinaan ko lang yung boses niya ha. Para hindi niya ako ma-overpower. Kick up you. Saglit lang.
Lord.
Dear. Okay, ito na. I told you for back to come pick up your clothes. I had to fold it. Meet me at the door while it's still open. No, it's getting cold. Hindi ko masundan pa. Come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. I let your body decide if it's good enough for you. Already falling for you. Oh. Diba? Diba? Yun ang sinasabi ko sa inyo eh. I'll let your body decide. Ang lamig. Ito kasi tawa ng tawa
Siya yung
eh.
nag-claim. Ang lamig.
Hindi, alam
Alam mo sa comment mo.
Hindi, alam ko naman kasi ko-comment din yun. So, it's better na may self-awareness ka din eh. Okay. Paano ba yung folded? Yung clothes? Paano ba yung riffs? Okay, ikaw nga.
Teka, hindi ko alam pa.
Oh, sige nga, tingnan natin siya. Ha? Punyeta. O, game.
Nagagalit ka.
Wag mong ambagin si Kelani.
Hindi ko nga ito kabisado eh. Ikaw na yun. Practice mo ito eh.
So come pick up. Tuturuan kita.
Okay, game.
So come pick up your clothes. Oh,
Ay,
yun.
maganda yun. Ang ganda yun, maganda yun.
So come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. Oh,
Wait,
kalma.
kahit tayo mga gawin ng walang facial expression.
Okay. So come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. Oh, tingnan mo yung vibrato ng katawan mo, nakikita. No, dapat mas magaling sa akin yan, Huwag mo ipahiya sarili mo,
Hindi ko kasi kabisado to. So, paano? Guide mo ako.
So, come pick up your clothes.
So, come pick up your clothes. Ah!
Sumasapaw eh. Sumasapaw.
Come pick up your clothes. I have them folded. Oh. Ganun yun eh. Sabi ko sa'yo. Ibang kanta na lang.
Game na, yung tuloy-tuloy.
Hindi ko kabisado to.
I'll let you body decide.
I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you.
Ang hirap nun yung bilis.
Oo nga eh. Parang
This is
sabi
enough for you. This is enough for you. This is enough for you.
Bahala na. Basta alam niyo na yun. If this is good enough for you. Ganon! Oh. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you.
Oh, yan ang medium singer. Diba?
Oo nga.
Alam nyo na ngayon ang medium singer.
Ikaw, anong category mo?
Me, well, after Kelani, ayoko naman masyadong magmalaki, pero
Kaya sunod ka lang sa kanya?
medyo lang.
Oh, sige. Doon ka lang. Kasi, syempre, may time na siya eh.
Yes,
May
ayoko
spotlight
naman
na siya.
sapawan yung original. So,
Okay.
after lang tayo ni Kelani, so ikaw, medium singer.
Oo nga, baka sumunod lang ako.
Okay. So, yun lang po. Your clothes, I have them folded.